Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Insightful Discussions. This is Nitin Shah from ICHARS. So yesterday I was with a group of people who are all members of a Facebook community called Entrepreneur Excel. It's a community of entrepreneurs and I have recently become a member with them. It was interesting discussion because we were all supposed to sit and discuss our understanding of what Entrepreneur Excel does and how it can help entrepreneurs grow. Now, while we were around 25 people in that group, each of us shared our understanding of Entrepreneur Excel. Before I went over there, I thought most of our understanding would be similar. But I was surprised that each of us had a different view or different understanding of how Entrepreneur Excel works and how it can benefit us. Now, this was interesting because it made me realize how many times we are working with a set of people who all have been there with us for a long time. And we think we all understand exactly what we are working towards. But unless you sit with them, unless you talk to them, there is really no way of understanding whether they have the same set of ideas about something as you have, or are their ideas different? Are those ideas even in sync with one another or not? Are all of those ideas going to help us achieve the overall objective, or is it going to come in the way of achieving those objectives? So it's just very important to be able to sit and discuss things with people, even those that you may know very well. Take the example of relationships. Well, there are times when you are in a relationship with someone, the relationship may have been a really long relationship. You may think that you know your partner really well, your partner may think that they know you very well, and that you understand about each other completely, that you have the same set of objectives from the relationship. But when you actually sit and discuss with your partner, you are at times surprised because you realize that what your partner is looking from the relationship and what you are looking for from the relationship can be very, very different. And you would not be able to understand this unless you have the conversation. So what I'm basically trying to say is that no matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter how well you know people around you, if there is something that you need clarity about, it's always better to sit and talk to them and have a conversation with them to understand whether you and the other person is on the same wavelength or not about that particular area. Or would it be very different from what you are actually originally expecting? Once you have this clarity, both of you can work together in your best and highest interest. But if you don't have this clarity, there is a major scope for misunderstanding. And even if there is no misunderstanding because you guys don't interact about it, it may not really help you achieve the end objectives that both you and the other person want to achieve. So again, my recommendation from the insights that I got, please sit, please discuss. It's very important. If there's anything that stops you from discussing things from people around you, it's always a good idea to seek help. I hope you found this video interesting. You found the information, the insights that I received useful for you as well. And if you have any other questions about this insight or about any of the videos that we have created in the past, please feel free to ask us questions in the comments box. And if you have any particular topics that you would like us to create videos on, please share them with us so that we can create those videos and help you address whatever challenges, questions you may have. Thank you.